Alright, we're doing some NES Let's Play today. We got two from, oh geez, what was this one?
This is the same flea market when we bought all those games.
The big flea market get from a while back, a couple weeks ago. We got Commando and Heavy Barrel. Figured they'd go good together. One's a Capcom, one's a Data East. Wait, yeah, it's Capcom. And Kitty's coming to visit, so we'll get rolling. We'll start with Commando. Kitty, are you entertaining the people while we wait for the video? Kitty. What are you doing? You want me to rub you? Yes, rub you. Come on, Commando. Don't knock that camera over, kitty.
Give me the other one.
All right, let me clean that one while we do that. So we're going to do this one first. Come on, we need to get that top loader.
I know. Or you just gotta tighten the pins on this thing.
I keep saying that.
I do. I should just throw it on your lap in your room while you're in there.
Yeah, especially those late nights where I'm just vegging watching YouTubes anyways.
But we do gotta get a top loader. That's an investment that we gotta...
Yeah. Oh, I hear music. Almost.
It's gonna cost because if we get a top loader, we also have to get it modded to have the AV out because the top loaders only have like the.
And it's like you're almost breaking it. It's not worth as much, I don't think.
No, they're worth more.
Really?
Nintendo actually themselves, people back in the day, people could send in their top loaders.
Holy, this thing was filthy, Lauren.
Yeah, people could send their top loaders actually back into Nintendo to get AV.
Yeah.
Built into it, so there are some top loaders that originally they got it modded back like in the day. Because it was a big thing that it was like a problem because it was towards the end of its life, like the Super Nintendo.
Here, use Commando. I just cleaned it. Oh, it hurt me.
Maybe it's supposed to. Okay.
That's definitely not right. And clean that one. Yes, see, a good cleaning.
Cat, you didn't have this too.
She stole yours.
Ooh, something
what happened here? Something. Dun, dun. We might have a bad. Cool.
If the cat would freaking not move.
If she's ready to pout. Are you playing?
Yeah. You can do them.
This reminds me of Outlaw, or whatever that one is. It is Outlaw.
It's okay. I'm not the biggest fan of.
This thing's filthy.
Yeah, and you cleaned it already once too.
I mean the outside of it.
Get move.
Funk. I don't like funk.
There we go.
Alright.
What?
It froze?
Yeah.
Well, try it again. I don't know what else to tell you. That one might work then.
Oh, you want me to switch back to this one?
No, I don't want you to switch back to any of them. I want you to get Commando working. Just hit reset. Kind of glitchy.
Yeah, it's like Gunsmoke or anything.
Yeah, Gunsmoke. That's what it is.
I don't mind, like, and
why can he shoot over that and I can't shoot
Akira
over that?
Warriors. Also, these aren't my favorite type of. When it's top down like this, I'd rather play like a regular shooter with like a.
Jeez. I suck.
It's hard. I got the counter cleared off, so when I want to do the Lego set, I'm gonna set up
Good idea.
He's a current prisoner. Oh, you get bonus points for saving.
Bonus!
Can't go around the trees. You get stuck like in their leaves for some reason. Even though they're taller
You
than
can get around the trunk, but not the leaf.
Even though it's taller than you.
I know. Those are grenades. I had tried to figure out what the hell they were. Makes sense. The only thing you got. Hey, we gotta save.
This will be the end of the stage.
Boss fight. Hey, you surrender because you suck. It's funny, you're playing this Cobra, and we just beat G.I. Joe. That's what it looks like, because you're wearing blue and they're green. You know? It's around that era. You know what I mean? It looks like a Cobra guy. Whoa, whoa.
It gets a little glitchy, but that could just be our cart too.
Yeah.
But
Whoa. 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 Whoa.
we dodged them.
I'm dodging a lot of those bullets. I'm playing it like Galaxian.
Those are probably check marks, those bridges.
Yeah. How's that guy in the water? I can't go in the water. Ninja moves. You see those? Come on. Give me the guy. Ah.
You gotta throw bombs at those guys.
Yeah. I killed one of them. So Vietnam War. And we must be playing as the Vietnamese. Because they had gray, didn't they? I don't know. Ah! I should have been shooting that whole time.
I don't know.
That was the next boss fight.
On the cover, I think he's in like American
Yeah, I know.
colors, but in the game, he's not
Right,
in like.
he's not in green. What's this one?
Continue.
Oh.
1-2. You started at level 2. So you're still on 1-2. So you're continuing.
Maybe I'll get to the 1-3. You actually move faster going sideways.
Yeah, it's weird.
Whoa, how did those bullets go through me? You saw that.
Yeah.
But then that one hits me.
Yeah.
I deserve that. It's karma, right? What? That's baloney. He looks like Cobra Commander, silver face. See that?
You just fell on the
But what am I gonna do? I didn't even do nothing. Look, I'm not.
Hold the backwards button. Yeah, you walked forward. You were holding on forward and you walked into it.
That's a bad save. Walked right into it. Alright, I'm done with this one. What's the other one?
Heavy barrel.
Heavy barrel. So that was Capcom, and this is Data East.
Yep. So this is probably an arcade game, Heavy Barrel.
Sounds familiar.
Because Data East did a lot of them.
So did Capcom.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. 89.
Destroy enemies under.
Makes sense. Vietnam War was all they talked about in the 80s until they got rid of the.
Okay.
This is the opposite. It's the other button. He's supposed to be Rambo. The buttons are opposite, though. What?
You got hit.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, come on. So this is Daddy's version of Commando. Or
I made a bunch of games like this.
Let's try it again.
There we go.
John Rambo. John Rambo. What are these things?
I don't know. Are they like robots?
Drones before there were drones. Well, I did that last time too.
Yeah, you keep running into them. You're too running too fast.
They just die too slow. What the hell? How'd he die from me dying? You see that?
I think you shot him as you died. So
That's even more sus. The movements are a little goofy.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that flamethrower. Oh my goodness.
Power ups! Crushing. Things time so you couldn't get any further anyway. Instant kill. Come on, I want the other thing. What? I wasn't even near him. Wanna play?
No, I'm good. I don't really like these types of games.
What's the next one you want to play?
I'd like to play at the end for a little bit because it's an RPG.
Yeah.
Probably do Krusty's Farmhouse next.
Okay. Come on, boss fight. I gotta get by the boss. And then we'll follow this.
Yeah, that's fine. You got a minute left, so it's even fun.
Yeah, we got a 15-minute time limit now with our compression, so we gotta have to watch that. Did I kill it?
Yeah, you gotta shoot. There we go. Okay.
Okay. Board 2. I'll just.
Yeah, I'll tell you when to get. That's good. A spread shot. That's like.
Yeah, I like that.
That's totally counted.
Yeah. Elevator 2.
Yeah. Yeah. We're at 15.
Alright, we died.